Hey guys, hope you all doing great. Just wanted to check in and give you a quick update on why there hasn't been any new stuff lately. So I'm taking a bit of a break from uploading cause I have started this super cool Drawbox course. It's free and perfect for beginner like me. There are 7 lessons in total, and guess what? I have just wrapped up lesson 1. Normally I'm all about digital drawing, but this course is making me switch things up. It's all about using good old pen and paper. It's been a bit of a challenge, but honestly, it's been pretty fun too. Check out some of the stuff I have done so far. We're just getting into the basics, but it's already teaching me a ton that I can use in my digital art. Working with pen and paper gives me a new insights that are going to make my digital drawings even better. At least that I hope so. If you're looking to level up your drawing skills or just starting out, I totally recommend checking out the Drawbox course. It's been an awesome experience so far, and I can't wait to share more of my progress with you all. Thanks so much for sticking with me while I dive into the learning adventure. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to stay updated on my progress and future videos. Catch you all soon.